The year was 1977, a time of change and boundless curiosity. The world was shifting and the spirit of discovery was alive in every corner of society. People everywhere were looking up, wondering what mysteries the universe still held for us. We had walked on the moon, but our gaze turned further, to the giants of our solar system. The thrill of those first steps on another world had only deepened our hunger to explore, to see what lay beyond the familiar glow of Earth. The urge to explore, to reach into the unknown, was irresistible. Scientists and engineers gathered, fueled by dreams and determination, ready to take on challenges that seemed impossible. This was more than science. It was a quest to understand our place in the universe. It was a search for meaning, for connection, for answers to questions as old as humanity itself. 2 spacecraft were built, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Each was a marvel of engineering, designed to survive the harshest conditions and travel farther than anything we had ever sent before. They were our eyes and ears, sent where humans could not yet go. Every wire, every instrument was a bridge between our world and the unknown. On a summer day, Voyager 2 launched from Cape Canaveral, followed weeks later by its twin. The world watched as history unfolded, hearts pounding with hope and anticipation. They rose on pillars of fire, carrying humanity's hopes into the cosmos. The roar of the engines echoed our collective dreams, lifting them skyward. We watched as 2 tiny specks vanished into the black, beginning a journey that would outlast us all. Their path would take them farther than any human had ever imagined. The launch was a symbol of our best selves, explorers, innovators, dreamers. It united generations, inspiring young and old alike to believe in the impossible. The Voyager mission declared, "We are not content to remain on our blue planet. We are driven to reach out, to learn, to grow beyond our boundaries. We reach out, sending a piece of ourselves into the unknown." The golden record, a message in a bottle, carried our greetings, our music, our story to the stars. This journey was a testament to human ingenuity and our drive to push boundaries. Every milestone reached was a victory for all of humanity. We sent these robotic explorers on a voyage that would span decades and billions of miles. Their mission was ambitious, their destination unknown, their legacy just beginning. They would face radiation, cold, and emptiness, yet we pressed on. The risks were immense, but so was our resolve to discover what lay beyond. The call of the unknown was too strong to ignore. It beckoned us forward, promising wonders and revelations beyond imagination. We did it for knowledge, for the images, and for the sheer act of exploration. Each new discovery was a reminder of how much there is still to learn. The Voyagers became our emissaries to the outer solar system and beyond. They sent back breathtaking images and data, forever changing our view of the cosmos. They carried the spirit of humanity into the great unknown. With every mile, they reminded us that our reach could extend far beyond our home. Their journey was a leap of faith, one that would change our understanding of the universe. The data they sent home would inspire generations of scientists and dreamers. The adventure had only just begun. The story of Voyager is the story of us all, restless, hopeful, and forever reaching for the stars. The Voyagers were more than scientific instruments. They were messengers, carrying humanity's dreams and questions into the vast unknown. Each carried a golden phonograph record, a time capsule for the cosmos, carefully crafted to endure the journey across interstellar space. This was our message in a bottle, meant for any intelligent life that might find it, drifting endlessly through the darkness between stars. The golden record was a gift, a greeting, an introduction, a gesture of peace and goodwill from Earth to the universe. Carl Sagan and his team carefully chose its contents. Greetings in 55 languages, spoken by people from every corner of our planet. The sounds of Earth, wind, rain, whales, laughter, captured the diversity and wonder of our world's natural symphony. Music from Bach to Chuck Berry, and folk songs from around the world, offered a glimpse into our creativity and shared emotions. 115 images showed our planet's beauty, our science, our people, and the many ways we live and learn together. The record captured the essence of humanity in the late 20th century, preserving a snapshot of our hopes, struggles, and achievements. The odds of it being found are tiny, almost unimaginable, but that was never the point of this extraordinary gesture. Creating the record made us reflect on who we are and what we value, inspiring us to see ourselves as one global family. In a divided world, it was a unifying project, a reminder of our shared humanity and the things that connect us across continents and cultures. The golden record is a snapshot of Earth, cast into the cosmic ocean, a silent ambassador traveling farther than any human ever has. It stands as a symbol of hope, curiosity, and the desire to connect, a testament to our longing to reach out beyond ourselves. Our story sent to the stars, waiting for a distant listener in the endless night. The Voyager mission was made possible thanks to a rare and extraordinary planetary alignment, an event so unique it only happens once in several generations. Roughly every 176 years, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune arrange themselves in a cosmic lineup, creating a perfect opportunity for interplanetary exploration, a true celestial slingshot. By harnessing the gravity of each giant planet, the spacecraft could accelerate and change course, making it possible to visit all 4 worlds in a single, continuous journey, something never before attempted. Without this rare alignment, reaching Neptune would have taken decades longer, requiring far more fuel and resources and possibly making the mission impossible with the technology of the time. Recognizing this fleeting chance, NASA engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, designing Voyager 2 to visit all 4 planets, while Voyager 1 was set on a faster path out of the solar system. The precision required for this mission was staggering: a tiny launch window, a narrow corridor in space, billions of miles from Earth, with no room for error. The journey began at Jupiter, where the planet's immense gravity hurled the probes onward, flinging them towards Saturn at incredible speeds. Voyager 1's trajectory was dramatically altered by a close encounter with Saturn's moon Titan, sending it on a one-way trip out of the solar system and into interstellar space. Meanwhile, Voyager 2 continued its odyssey, using Saturn's gravity to reach Uranus and then Neptune, becoming the only spacecraft to visit all 4 giant planets. Each planetary encounter was a delicate dance of timing and trajectory, a true masterpiece of celestial mechanics and human ingenuity. This grand tour allowed humanity to explore the mysterious outer solar system with just 2 probes, revealing wonders we had only dreamed of. It was a triumph of human intellect, vision, and planning. Against all odds, the impossible became reality, and our understanding of the cosmos was forever changed. The Voyagers revolutionized our view of the outer planets. At Jupiter, they revealed violent storms, the Great Red Spot, and volcanic activity on Io. Saturn's rings were shown to be countless icy ringlets, with mysterious spokes and a thick atmosphere on Titan. Voyager 2 pressed on to Uranus, discovering new moons, rings, and a bizarre magnetic field. Uranus appeared bland, but data hinted at a complex, tumultuous history. At Neptune, Voyager 2 found fierce winds, a great dark spot, faint rings, and geysers on Triton. Each flyby turned distant points of light into dynamic, real worlds. The images and data transformed planetary science. The Voyagers revealed the outer solar system's wonders, forever changing our understanding. They showed us worlds we had only dreamed of. The solar system became a place of endless discovery. After the planets, the Voyagers set course for the stars. Their next challenge, leaving the sun's protective bubble, the heliosphere. The heliosphere shields us from harsh cosmic radiation. Voyager 1 crossed the termination shock in 2004, Voyager 2 in 2007, entering the heliosheath, a turbulent frontier. The ultimate goal was the Heliopause, the true edge of our solar system. In 2012, Voyager 1's data changed, solar particles dropped, cosmic rays surged. Scientists confirmed Voyager 1 had entered interstellar space. It was a historic first. Humanity had become interstellar. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, providing invaluable data from a second location. The crossing marked the end of solar system exploration, and the start of a new mission, our first emissaries to the galaxy. The journey continues into the unknown. The Voyager's survival is a triumph of engineering. Billions of miles from home, their signals take over 22 hours to reach Earth. The Deep Space Network listens for their faint whispers. Power is dwindling. Engineers have shut down instruments to conserve energy. The probes endure extreme cold, operating far below their design limits. Built with 1970s technology, they've outlasted all expectations. A small, dedicated team keeps them alive, sending commands and receiving precious data. Each new transmission is a victory. The Voyager's resilience inspires us, proof that with ingenuity, we can reach the edge of the unknown. Their story is one of endurance and hope. Even as their power fades, the Voyagers continue to make discoveries. Voyager 1 found a magnetic highway at the edge of the heliosphere, where solar and interstellar magnetic fields connect. Voyager 2 measured denser, colder plasma and a stronger magnetic field than expected. These findings reshape our understanding of the solar system's boundary. Both probes detected a plasma wall, superheated hydrogen just beyond the heliopause. The boundary is not smooth but dynamic and turbulent. These discoveries have profound implications for our place in the galaxy. The heliosphere shields us from cosmic rays. Understanding it is vital. The Voyagers are our scouts, sending back reports from the frontier. They've given us a new perspective on our cosmic neighborhood. The Voyager mission is far from over. Even after their instruments fall silent, the spacecraft will journey on, silent ambassadors in the Milky Way. Voyager 1 will pass near Gliese 445 in 40,000 years. Voyager 2 near Sirius in nearly 300,000. Their journey is, for all practical purposes, eternal. The mission's legacy is immense, rewriting science, pushing technology, and inspiring the human spirit. The Voyagers are symbols of curiosity and courage. The pale blue dot photo changed how we see ourselves. The golden record is a message of hope, faith, and connection. Whether found or not, it says, "We are here." The Voyagers carry our dreams, music, and hope into the stars. They are a monument to exploration, drifting among the stars for eons. Humanity's message to the cosmos, just getting started.